Sir, visible, sir. Myself, Naveen Singh, and today my topic is a review into imaging technique available and its applications. So, medical medical imaging techniques are non-invasive method for looking inside the body without opening up the body surgically. It is used to assist diagnosis treatment of different medical conditions. There are many medical imaging techniques. Every technique has different risks and benefits. The paper presents a review of these techniques, concept, advantage, disadvantage, and applications. There are different types of scientific research and diagnostic imaging techniques, including photography, microscopy, ultrasound, X-ray, CT scan, MRI, and PET. So first of all, we read photography. Photography involves using light to make picture. It is the process of recording image by exposing light sensitive film or arrow to light or other film of radiation. It has been described as the art, science and practice of creating durable image by the use of lithography film or electronics by means of digital image sensor, a digital camera. Photomicrography is the art and science of taking photograph of gross or macroscopic image, and photomicrography is also the art of science of taking photograph using microscope to visualize microscopic structures. Micrographs are photomicrographs of sections or prepared histological slides taken from microscopes to obtain a micrograph. Two machines are important: microscope and camera, or microscope with inbuilt cameras. Camera are optical instrument for recording image which may be stored locally or transmit to another location. The camera images. Then photography. Advantage of digital camera over film camera. Eliminate film processing. With the advent of digital camera, you can no longer have waste time, energy and resource in developing film in dark room. Digital camera are equipped with memory card. These feature can be saved and transported to personal computer and printed if necessary. Massive photo storage. Digital camera can store over 10,000 images depending upon the size of memory card. The out camera. Editing and sharing. Digital photography enable editing either with the camera or computer, such as cropping, resizing, etc. Digital photos can also share using social media like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. Next, microscope. Microscopy is a technique field for using microscope, magnified instrument, to view objects that cannot be seen with naked eyes. Microscope is a device that uses a lens or system of lens to produce greatly magnified image of an object. Modern microscopy now use software such as Imagy, Cell, Profile, Neuro Studio to acquire and analyze image. There are two branches of microscopy: a light microscope, which includes simple compound microscope, dissecting microscope, a stereo microscope, comparison microscope, inverted microscope, and surgical and digital microscope. Second category, electron microscope. First of all, we read light microscope. This is also referred to as an optical microscope. It is a type of microscope which uses visible light and a system of lens to magnify image of a small sample. Optical microscopes are the oldest design of microscope and we are possibly invented in their present compound form in 17th century. Basic optical microscope can be very simple, although they are very complex design which aim to improve resolution and sample contrast, such as compound, dissecting and surgical microscope. Modern microscope allow more than just observation of transmitted light image of sample. There are many techniques which can be used to extract other kind of data. Most of these require additional equipment in addition to basic compound microscope. Optical microscopy is used extensively in histology, histopathology, microelectronics, nanophysics, biotechnology, pharmaceutical research, mineralogy, and microbiology. This is a picture of light microscope. Hmm. Light microscope. A simple microscope uses lens or set of lenses to enlarge an object through angular magnification alone, giving the viewer an erect, enlarged virtual image. The use of simple convex lens or group of lenses are still found in simple magnification devices such as magnifying glass, loupes, and eyepiece for telescopes and microscopes. Then compound microscope. Compound microscope use lens, objective lens close to the object being used to collect light which focus a real image of the object inside the microscope. That image is then magnified a second lens or group of lenses that give the viewer an enlarged inverted virtual image. Next, stereo microscope. A stereo microscope is low-powered microscope which provide a stereoscope view of sample up to 100 magnification, commonly used for inverted microscope for studying sample for below, used for cell culture in liquid or for metallography dissection. Then comparison microscope. It is device used to analyze side-by-side specimen. It consists of two microscopes connected by optical bridge, which result in a split view window enabling two separate objects to view simultaneously. It has two separate light paths, allowing direct comparison of two samples by one image in each eye. This avoids the observer having to rely on memory when comparing two objects under conventional microscope. Started digital microscope. It is a variation of traditional optical microscope that use optics and digital camera to output an image to an monitor, sometimes by means of software running on computer. A digital microscope often has its own inbuilt LED lights and different from optical microscope in that there is no provision to observe the sample directly through an eyepiece since the image is focused on digital circuit. The entire system is designed for monitor image. The eyepiece of human eye are omitted. Electron is similar to the light microscope. Light are substituted with electron. Glass lens are substituted with electromagnetic and electrostatic lens. Electron microscope have electron optical lens system that analog to glass lens of an optical microscope. There are two types of electron microscope: transmission electron microscope and scanning electron microscope, of which TEM is the most commonly used. The biggest advantage is that they have higher resolution than light microscope and therefore also able of higher magnification. Electron microscope allow for visualization of a structure that would not be visible by optical microscopy. Electron microscopes are used to investigate the ultrasound of wide range of biological and inorganic specimens including microorganisms, cell, large molecule, biopsy sample, metals and crystal. Modern electron produce electron micrograph using specialized digital camera and frame grabber to capture the image. First picture shows photograph of electron microscope and second picture shows photograph of bone tissue on electron microscope. Next topic, X-ray radiography. X-ray radiography. X-ray passes through the body. They are observed or attained at different level according to the density and atomic number of the different tissue, creating a profile. The X-ray profile is registered on detector, creating an image shown in figure 2.8. The construction of the X-ray tube that used for medical imaging. Electrons are emitted by filament while when it is heated by electric current. A rotating metal anode attracted the electron, providing an alternating current in the filament. The area from which the X-ray are emitted is referred to as radiography. X-ray to view object. X-ray is high energy electromagnetic radiation that penetrates solid and ionized focal spot. The the used photon energy range from 17 to 150 keV. The choice of particular application for tissue probe being a trade-off between acceptable radiation. X-ray radiography benefit. It is non-invasive, quick and painless. Support medical and surgical treatment planning. Guide medical personnel as they insert catheters or stent inside the body to treat tumor or remove blood clots. X-ray imaging concept, and then X-ray rotating tube. Then the picture taken by X-ray of shoulder, pelvis, head and knee. X-ray radiography risk. Exposure to ionizing radiation. This increases the possibility of developing cancer later in life. Tissue effects such as cataract, skin reddening, and hair loss which occur at relatively high risks of radiation exposure. X-ray radiography medical applications. X-ray radiography is used in many types of examinations such as chiropractics, dental, fluoroscopy, radiography used for showing the movement of organs such as the stomach, intestine, and colon in the body. Also can be used for studying the blood vessel of the head and the brain. Projection radiographs used for determining the type and extent of fracture, also used for detecting pathological change in the lungs and used for visualizing the structure of stomach and intestine. X-ray radiography medical application. Mammography used for diagnostic and screening of breast tissue, bones. Densitometry used for measuring bone minerals content and density. Arthrography used for seeing inside the joint. Hysterosplenogram used for examining uterus and fallopian tube. Next, ultrasonography. Ultrasonography is also referred to as a Doppler study or ultrasound scan used for medical diagnosis. It is painless and non-invasive technique which uses an ultrasound machine with silent, high-frequency sound wave to produce live image of the internal structure of body, also known as sonogram. It enables physician to visualize disease or normal organ or tissue such as bladder, uterus, kidney, and ovary within the body without making an incision. Ultrasound scan is recommended medical technique for visualizing a fetus in pregnant woman animal because it does not produce radiation like other medical imaging techniques. Ultrasound technique involve using liquid gel and handheld transducer probe on the surface of the body. The probe, which contain acoustic transducer, send and receive millions of pulses and echoes into the body per second. The sound wave penetrate in the body and hit a boundary between tissue, example soft tissue and bone. A wave get reflected back to the transducer probe and then transmit to the central processing unit. The CPU is machine that supply electric power to the transducer, calculate reflection time of the wave and the depth of the tissue interface which cue the wave so to construct two-dimensional image of the monitor. The procedure usually require a minimum of 30 minutes. Ultrasound machines, and then example of ultrasound images taken by ultrasound machine. Then ultrasonography benefit. It is non-invasive and painless without using ionizing radiation, high resolution, real-time information, sensitive to detect flows, ability to measure velocity, pulse of respiratory phase. Then different types of ultrasound. Ultrasound image, the common type of ultrasound picture. It is a series of flat two-dimensional cross-section image of the skin tissue. The mode of scanning is still standard for many diagnostic and obstetric situations after half century of use. Next, 3D sound ultrasound image. This is three-dimensional image obtained from a cross-section of tissue scanned at several angles, and received data is reconstructed into a three-dimensional image. The ultrasound is commonly used to provide a more complete and realistic sonograph of a fetus and in diagnosis of cleft lip. 4D ultrasound image. Use sound wave to produce a live video of the fetus in the uterus. 43 to 46. 3D and 4D ultrasound produce a realistic image of moving or developing fetus in the uterus, which can be readily seen in 2D ultrasound image. Then Doppler ultrasound image. The technique involves the use of reflected sound wave to reveal the pattern and the manner of blood flow within the blood vessel. This cannot be seen in 2D, 3D, and 4D ultrasound image. Doppler ultrasound can be used on multi of the heart blood vessels such as venous insufficiency, artery stenosis, blood clot, aneurysm, and congenital disease of heart. During a Doppler ultrasound, the transducer is moved over the skin along the blood vessel to send a reflect sound wave. High frequency sound wave bounce off circulating blood cell, which is which in return change the frequency of reflected wave referred to as a Doppler effect, and in absence of blood flow, change do not occur in the reflected sound wave. Data from the reflected sound wave of Doppler effect is used for construct a graph representing the pattern and the manner of blood flow through the blood vessel on the CPU. There are different types of Doppler ultrasound, namely color Doppler, spectral Doppler, and power Doppler. Next, ultrasonography risks. No standardized guidelines, operator-dependent, time-consuming, blinding procedures are challenging, cannot produce by hydration status. Ultrasonography medical application, checking the development of fetus during pregnancy, imagining most structure of the head and neck, including the thyroid and parathyroid gland, lymph node, and salivary gland, in imagining the solid of the aorta, inferior vena cava, liver, of needle when placing local anesthetic solution near nerves. Echocardiography used for diagnosing heart and function of heart ventricles and valves. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Myself Rohit Yadav, and my topic is review in imaging technique. Start with CT scan. X-ray computed tomography. Computed tomography is a diagnostic technology that combines X-ray equipment with a computer and a cathode ray tube display to produce image of cross-section of the human body. The radiographic film is replaced by a detector which measures the X-ray profile. Inside the CT scanner, there is a rotating frame that has an X-ray mounted on one side and detector mounted on opposite side. A beam of X-ray is generated as a rotating frame spins the X-ray tube and detector around the patient as shown figure. With time, the X-ray tube and a detector make one complete rotation and image or slice is acquired. As the X-ray tube detector make this rotation, the detector takes numerous profile of the attenuated X-ray beam. Each profile is reconstructed by the computer in a 2D of the slice that was scanned. 3D CT can be obtained spiral CT. Spiral CT acquires a volume of data with the patient anatomy all in one position. This volume data set can then be computed reconstructed to provide three-dimensional image of complex structure. The resulting 3D CT image help in visualization of the tumor. Massive CT has been introduced to overcome problem imposed by respiratory movement. 4D CT generates both spatial and visual information on organ mobility. Some example of CT scan are shown. Is an X-ray CT imaging. The first is CT scanner, second pass in X-ray source and CT fan beam. Example of CT scan 2D, 3D and 4D. CT scan benefits: non-invasive, quick and painless. Good spatial resolution. Global view of veins distinguished by small differences in physical density. Avoid invasive insertion of an arterial catheter and guide wire. CT scan risk. Exposure to ionizing radiation. This increases the possibility of developing cancer later in life. No real-time information. Cannot detect intraluminal abnormalities. Cannot be performed without contrast in case allergy or toxicity. Less contrast resolution where soft tissue contrast is low. Then CT medical application. Examining body such as brain, sinus, facial bone, dental, spine, cervical, hands, wrist, elbow, shoulder, hip, knee, ankle, foot, renal tract. Diagnosing disease, trauma and abnormalities. Planning and guiding the interventional or therapeutic procedure. Monitoring the effectiveness of therapy in cancer treatment. Then magnetic resonance imaging, MRI. MRI is a diagnostic technology that uses magnetic and radio frequency field to image the body tissue and monitor body chemistry. The MRI used for visualizing morphological alteration rests on its ability to detect changes in proton density and magnetic spin relaxation times, which are characteristic of environment present by the diseased tissue. The MR scanner consists of three main components: a radio frequency, the magnetic field. Magnetic gradient system normally consists of three orthogonal gradient coils, essential for signal localization. Then magnetic resonance imaging. The RF system consists of transmitter coil that is capable of generating a rotating magnetic field for exciting a spin system, and a receiver coil that a processing magnetization into electrical signal, and so on figure. The signal are measured by MR scanner and digital computer reconstruct these signal into images. Example of MRI imaging as shown 7th figure. Recently, a new procedure that uses MRI to measure the tiny metabolic changes that take place in a active part of the brain called functional magnetic resonance imaging. They called fMRI is designed. MRI benefits: non-invasive and painless, without ionizing radiation, high spatial resolution, operator independent, easy to blind, and ability to measure flow and velocity with advanced technique. Can be performed without contrast in case pregnancy or allergy. Good soft tissue contrast. MRI relatively low sensitivity. Mass quantity of the probe may be needed. No real-time information. Cannot detect interlunar abnormalities. Can make some people feel claustrophobic. Sedation may be required for young children who can't remain still. Relatively expensive. Long scan and post-processing time. Then next MRI system, MRI machine. Example of MRI image: first MRI, second brain, fMRI of brain. Then MRI medical applications: examining the abnormality of brain and spinal cord, examining the tumor, cyst and other abnormalities in part of body, examining the injury of abnormality of joint, examining the disease of liver and other abdominal organ, knowing causes of pelvic pain in women, finding the unhealthy tissue of body, planning the surgery, providing a global view of collateral vein, providing a global view of intra and extracranial. Then radionuclide imaging. Radionuclide imaging of nuclear medicine is a diagnostic technology that uses small amount of radioactive material to produce images of internal body, small amount of low level or by mouth. These isotopes are attached to specific organ, bone or tissue which absorb the radioactive material. Once a organ or tissue has absorbed the radioactive material, it produces emission which can be detected by spatial radiation detector. The scanner works with computer to convert the emissions into an image. Then radionuclear imaging benefits provide functional information that is often highly accurate and specific, provide a global view of system of interest, good tissue specific contrast, can check how far a cancer has spread and how well the treatment is working. Then radionuclide imaging risk. Use ionizing radiation make the patient radioactive for a variable period of time, relatively low spatial resolution, high cost equipment and isotope production. Extra care required in handling radioactive material may cause some people to feel claustrophobic, which may mean sedation is required. Then radionuclide imaging medical application. Diagnosing the cancer, breast, cervical, colorectal, esophageal, head and neck, lungs, lymphoma, melanoma, pancreatic, thyroid and other. Evaluating the potential effectiveness of therapy. Diagnosing the cardiovascular disease, diagnosing the Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, dementia, epilepsy, and other neurologic disease. Elastography. Elastography is a non-invasive medical imaging technique that detects the biological tissue based on their stiffness, elasticity. Compared to normal tissue, elastography image may be ultrasound elasticity imaging, magnetic resonance elasticity imaging, optical elasticity imaging, or tactile imaging. Ultrasound elastography was the first technique to perform elastography and is widely studied in the clinical diagnostic application to image the biomechanical property of soft tissue. MR electrography measures the mechanical property of soft tissue by introducing shear wave and imaging their propagation using MRI. Then elastography. MR using the gradient waveform in the pulse sequence to sensitize the MRI scanner to shear waves in tissue. The shear waves are generated by the electromechanical transducer on the surface of skin. Mechanical excitation and the motion sensitizing gradient are the same frequency. Optical elastography performed using optical coherence tomography to perform elastography. To make optical coherence elastography of human subject visible, and annular piezoelectric loading transducer is designed through it. A simultaneous image can be imaging is a medical imaging modality that translates the senses of touch in a digital image. The tactile image is a function of pressure on the soft tissue surface under applied deformation. Tactile imaging closely mimics manual palpation since the probe of the device with the pressure sensor array mounted on its face acts similar to human finger during the examination, slightly deforming soft tissue by a probe and detecting result changes in the elastography. Elastography benefits. Non-invasive, non-ionizing radiation. Results are obtained immediately. High precision 2D time shift-based strain estimation technique. High frame rate to obtain a detailed map of transmural strain in normal. Then elastography risk. By increasing the applied pressure, the elastography is influenced by both elastography image as well as elastography. So this may lead to wrong diagnosis. Suffering from the medical condition that causes mass in tissue affected by abnormal growth. Then low resolution. Elastography medical application. Detecting and evaluating liver disease, particularly cirrhosis. Investigation of soft tissue, measuring the mechanical response of cardiac muscle at various phases of the cardiac cycle. MR electrography used for examining changes in material property of muscles associated with aging. MR elastography used for diagnosing breast cancer. Ultrasound elastography used for determining the muscle materialness of the plantar fascia. Tactile imaging used for imaging of prostate, breast, vagina, and pelvic floor support. Structure and myofascial trigger point in muscle. Then conclusion. The paper presented a current risk and application of these technique has been present with detail. The conclusion technique are X-ray, radio X-ray, CT scan, ultrasound, elastography, optical imaging, radionuclide imaging include thermography, and the comparison between these techniques from point of view imaging, image quality, safety, effect of radiation on body, and system availability has been presented. Discussion, so nothing of the